This was the meeting that not only the Indian delegation but American CEOs too were eagerly awaiting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met 11 CEOs in a power-packed breakfast meeting where he assured them that investment bottlenecks would be cleared and underlined that India is open-minded and wants change. Those at the breakfast table included the who's who of the American corporate world like Indian origin PepsiCo CEO Indra Nooyi, Google chairman Eric Schmidt, Citigroup chief Michael Corbett and MasterCard CEO Ajay Banga. And if the lineup was impressive, so was the assurance given to them by the Prime Minister that their concerns will be addressed. A reassured America Inc. indicated that it is willing to expand investment in India and expressed its confidence in Prime Minister Modi.
Very productive conversation, बड़े open हैं. Mostly वो सुनने के लिए आए थे ताकि आइडियाज दें और इनकी मैं पहले भी मिल चुका हूँ. हर बारी देखता हूँ कि वो सुनते हैं और उसके बाद you see कि action होता है. Make in India less government, more governance. He raised many issues.
After the breakfast meeting came a series of one-to-one meetings with 6 CEOs of American companies. Prime Minister Modi pitched for big-ticket investments to develop India's infrastructure that would create more jobs and enhance the quality of life. He assured top corporate honchos of a friendlier business environment in India.
A large number of eminent chief executive officers of largely Fortune 500 companies. The approach that the Prime Minister followed in that interaction was that he laid out his vision for economic development in India and then said that India is open-minded and we want change. And we want change that is not only one-sided. And he felt for that change to be broad and acceptable, it required inputs from a variety of sources. These include citizens, of course, but also industrialists and investors. And he said that this was part of his process to engage investors to invest in what he envisages are going to be major and dramatic developments in India's economy during the next few years.
The world's largest asset manager BlackRock told the Prime Minister that it will host a global investors meet in India next year. BlackRock CEO Lawrence Flick expressed his keen interest in expanding engagements with India. IBM CEO Virginia Rometty also met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The US-based global technology giant expressed interest in participating in India's newly launched initiatives like Smart Cities and Digital India. With a global turnover of nearly $100 billion, IBM is a major player in India and employs a large workforce in the country. Boeing CEO James McNerney met the Prime Minister and said that the company wants to accelerate its engagement with India. With nearly $87 billion annual turnover globally, Boeing is a major player in Indian defense and aerospace sectors. General Electric described India as a great place to invest after its CEO Jeffrey Immelt met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said the US conglomerate is looking to make more investments in the country. The Prime Minister also held meetings with KKR CEO Henry Kravis and Goldman Sachs CEO Lloyd Blankfein. With Prime Minister Narendra Modi promising to provide a friendlier business environment in India, it won't be surprising if India sees a spurt in investments from top US companies in times to come. Business Bureau, DD News.